Hey guys, welcome back to my Portal 2 Let's Play! Oh, yeah. Last episode, I don't really know what happened. We got shoved down a giant pit, and now we met this guy named Cave Johnson, and GLaDOS has disappeared forever. So I'm somewhat happy, somewhat kind of sad about that. I mean, GLaDOS is the person who, did the guiding. And she guided me through the test chamber, so it kind of miss hearing her voice at the beginning of test chambers and stuff. So when I left off, there was this thing here. Oh, whoa. Cookie platter, it's outdated. Oh no. Okay, so I have to catapult over that platform up there. From there. Oh, here's the. Wait, what? Oh, I have to get it here. Oh, whoa. So how do I catapult over it? I know that I have to get down there. But how? Oh yeah, there's that opening. Oh, whoa, I almost got knocked off. Alpha. Home station. Home station Alpha. What's this? Oh, is that an elevator?
They say great science is built on the shoulders of giants. Not here. At Aperture, we do all our science from scratch. No hand-holding.
What's the gel stuff? Is it like hair gel? Because apparently Aperture is known for making shower curtains. What's the difference between them being known for making hair gel? Ow.
Alright, let's get started. This first test involves something the lab boys call repulsion gel. You're not part of the control group, by the way. You get the gel. Last poor son of a gun got blue paint. All joking aside, that did happen. Broke every bone in his legs. Tragic, but informative. Or so I'm told.
Okay, you are here. So, these are test chambers, apparently. These are big test chambers. What's that stuff? Is that the gel? Whoa! Whoa. What was that? It's like a doubling trampoline. It's like a double of a trampoline. Oh, crap.
The lab boys just informed me that I should not have mentioned the control group. They're telling me I ought to stop making these pre-recorded messages. That gave me an idea. Make more pre-recorded messages. I pay the bills here, I can talk about the control group all damn day.
I can talk about the
For this next test, we put nanoparticles in the gel. In layman's terms, that's a billion little gizmos that are going to travel into your bloodstream and pump experimental genes and RNA molecules and so forth into your tumors. Now, maybe you don't have any tumors. Well, don't worry. If you sat on a folding chair in the lobby and weren't wearing lead underpants, we took care of that too.
So I have to land on this platform here. Grab that box. Whee! Ow. Hurt. Oh, so that actually did bad. I went backwards. Oh, why did I just jump down there? Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. There we go. Yay. I swear, these are big test chambers. I love that sound effect that Ujel makes. Very musical. Wouldn't that just hurt for like slamming your body against the wall? Oh crap. Okay, I made it.
Oh, in case you got covered in that repulsion gel, here's some advice the lab boy gave me. Do not get covered in the repulsion gel. We haven't entirely nailed down what element it is yet, but I'll tell you this, it's a lively one, and it does not like the human skeleton.
So, Aperture Science Innovators. It's different.
All these science spheres are made of asbestos, by the way. Keeps out the rats. Let us know if you feel a shortness of breath, a persistent dry cough, or your heart stopping, because that's not part of the test. That's asbestos. Good news is the lab boys say the symptoms of asbestos poisoning show a median latency of 44.6 years. So if you're 30 or older, you're laughing. Worst case scenario, you miss out on a few rounds of canasta. Plus, you forwarded the cause of science. I like your style. You make up your own rules, just like me. Mean Counter said I couldn't fire a man just for being in a wheelchair. Did it anyway. Ramps are expensive.
It was kind of a mean joke. Do I have to get over there? No. No. Oh, crap. Ow. That hurt. That was kind of crazy. That's my catapult. Let's get over there then. Oh, there. Let's see what the fuck I have to do. Oh no! Oh! This time I will not fail. These are difficult test chambers. I'm not kidding. These are really difficult. There we go.
Just a heads up, that coffee we gave you earlier had fluorescent calcium in it, so we can direct the neuronal activity in your brain. There's a slight chance the calcium could harden and vitrify your frontal lobe. Don't stress yourself. I'm serious. Visualizing the scenario while under stress actually triggers the reaction.
Alright, I guess that's an episode. Yep. That was pretty crazy. I was failing so badly. I don't understand why these test chambers have to be so difficult. I mean, like, they came before the actual test chambers, so what's the point of making them more difficult? So, yeah, I guess that's it right now. I just got completely, like, I'm getting kind of mad about how failed I was. See ya.